Okay, folks, this is chapter 3, working with selections. So we are on a Mac computer, and it's a little bit different because we are using a PC keyboard and PC monitors. So we have a couple of differences in here. But the first thing we're going to do is you want to go to Canvas and make sure that you are on lesson 3. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click this little download button. Okay, click that download button and you'll see that it'll download right here. We're not going to open up Photoshop yet. We're just going to leave it like that. Then we're going to open up Photoshop. Okay, and then once you open up Photoshop, okay, so once you open up Photoshop, you're going to go to File and then Browse and Bridge. So here we have Bridge. This is right now, this is everything that's in my downloads. I'm currently in my downloads. If you don't know how to get to your downloads, you're going to click on your folder that has your ID number, and then you double click the downloads, and this is all the downloads. Okay, so here you can see lesson 3. It says 03 start, and I've downloaded it a couple times. That's why there's some different images. So I'm going to double click it, and now it's opened up in Photoshop. So the next step is you're going to go to File and then Save As, and you have this box that's come up. I showed you guys how you can dock your computer graphics folder in a tag. I'll go through that later and show you that again, but right now I'm going to show you the long way around. So the format is right here. So this PSD represents the format, and the format is a Photoshop document. So what you can do is you can just highlight the whole thing. You always want to start with your name and then the lesson. So this is 03. And then you need to choose the file or the folder that you're going to save it to. You do not save to your downloads. You need to click on your Google Drive, then you go to My Drive, then you go to your computer graphics folder, and then in your computer graphics folder you have a book lessons and you have a creative assignment and all of that. I do not have that because I'm a teacher and don't need all those folders. So I'm just going to save it to my computer graphics folder, but you want to make sure you double click on your book lessons and lesson 3, and then you hit save. Okay, so now at the top of this it has your name and then 03. So the next step is we are going to click on our zoom tool. So if you look at here, here's all of your tools. This tool down here is your zoom tool. A lot of people are struggling with this because they go and click this and they try and make a square around this, and you can't really make a square. See that scrubby zoom tool? This is a new tool. It's a new component of the zoom tool, and it makes it so that if you click and hold your mouse button down, you can drag one way or the other to zoom in or zoom out. What we're going to do is we're going to unclick that scrubby zoom tool, then you're going to click and hold your mouse, and then you should be able to drag around your sand dollar. Okay? So the next step you're going to do is you're going to get your quick selection tool. So if you click and hold, you can see that this is your selection brush. You don't want your selection brush. If you click and hold this tool underneath it, you'll be able to get to your quick selection tool. So quick selection tool, now that I'm going to click, and this is automatically already selected. Okay, just ignore this. I don't know how to get rid of that. Okay, I just clicked it and I got rid of it. So the selection has been selected. Okay, so then what we're going to do